Richie Mack, the traveling OG. What up, man? This is Matt Bourne, just giving you a big shout out. Love everything you're doing. And you're watching Zoom to Thailand.
Whenever we love a guy, we break the rules of our religious.
Ooh.
Yeah, even if we love, if we love a guy, because in the Filipino culture and in the old people, they saying that get married first before bed. But now on the new generation, if we love person, we broke that religious rules.
Yes, you
Yes.
do. I'm gonna tell you something about Filipino women. Can we talk?
Yeah.
Can we talk? Can we talk about Filipino women? Because I've been dating Filipino women since high school.
Mm.
You should know about Filipino. I always tell men about Filipino, but you're a woman. You should know about Filipino women.
Yeah.
What is special about Filipino women in the bedroom? What is special about Filipino women?
Because for me, and honestly, we can handle different sizes because we are expandable.
That's a fact.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Sharing Lapu-Lapu is a breath of fresh air. We'd only known each other for about 20 minutes, and we were talking like we were lifelong friends. Now, the conversation is about to get a little more spicy as time goes on, so get ready for that. If y'all have a problem with that, y'all need to leave now. But I had to loosen her up a bit so we could get to the grits and gravy without making her feel uncomfortable. Filipinas by culture are conservative, just like Thai women by culture are shy. You need to bring that wall down. And the Travel OG don't need or use alcohol to make a woman comfortable. Here's my secret that will work on just about any woman anywhere in the world. A lot of people seem to forget these two simple things. Number one, if you can make a woman smile or laugh, you halfway home. The other is confidence. Confidence and humor is the shortcut to a woman's heart. You know why? Because when the woman smiles, the cookie smiles. You dig?
So what is the age range you'll date?
Age range is about 45 to 70, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am just thinking if what will be if I will be in the 40 years old and then he is not kind, he is cheater or something like that. So better if you have older because they are more responsible and mature.
Why are women always so concerned with cheating? Do you guys understand that it's a totally different reason that men cheat versus women?
Yeah, because if ever the man cheating, we just feel to ourselves that am I enough or am I pretty? Like that.
That's because you guys don't understand men. It has nothing to do with you.
Yes.
Women make it about them. It's just like this. I'm gonna give you an example. If I said to you, Sharon, I'm gonna give you $10,000, right?
Yes.
To go shoe shopping, okay? And you know how women love shoes.
Yeah, shoes, bag, and clothes.
No, I'm just talking about shoes. If I said to you, I'm gonna give you $10,000 just for shoes, would you get one pair of shoes for $10,000 or would you get 10 pair of shoes for $1,000?
I'm gonna buy more pairs. No, just only one pair of shoes.
Stop the cap.
You are lying. You are not
I'm
gonna
not
buy
lying.
with $10,000. You're gonna buy one pair of shoes when you can get more.
Yeah, I keep the rest. I put it in my
You cheating
pocket.
already. You're cheating already. The point to that is women love shoes, right?
Yeah.
And no matter how many pair of shoes you guys have and how beautiful they are and how new they are, you're gonna always want more shoes. You still may have your favorite pair of shoes, but you're always gonna want more shoes. I'm not comparing women to shoes. I'm giving an example of men. It's in our nature to be curious about women. It's in our nature. If a man does something like that, it's for a different reason. When a woman does it, it's because she's lacking something. She's missing something. A woman ain't just gonna cheat. It ain't in her nature. You know what I mean?
In the Philippines is because I grew up in a traditional. There are some husband cheat, but their wife make a revenge, so they were cheating also.
I know the way a living was whack. She don't get it back like that.
It's true, it happened, but for us, if the woman cheating, it's not like it's not, for me, it's not like, no, I am not clean again, because there will be another guy who touch me or something, and then I am married with my husband, so we are not feel comfortable on that. Yeah, we are not comfortable. And I agree you about the pair of shoes, because there are some Filipinos saying that not most all of the time you eat your favorite dish like pork adobo. You need to taste other dish.
Yeah, it's a little bit different. So have you ever dated a brother?
No.
You never dated a brother?
No.
Oh, you know what
You
that
mean
means?
black guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been dating a while ago, but it didn't work. That's why I am so careful now. Yeah, but you know, there are some of my subscribers expressing their feelings, and actually and honestly, I received a picture of.
Uh-oh, he didn't send you a picture of his joint, did he?
Yeah.
He didn't send you a picture of his joint, did he?
Yeah.
All right, now here's the question. Did it turn you on or turn you off?
Turn it off.
Oh.
Yeah, I turned it off because why he sent that to me, maybe.
I'm going to tell you, see, that's what I mean. Like, you, if a man sends you a picture of his private, it may turn you off.
Yeah, it turned me off.
Right, that's the difference between a man and woman. Now, if you send a man a picture of your private, it's going to turn him on.
Yeah.
You see the difference?
Yes.
That's the difference between men and women. Here's the question everybody wants to know. Does size make a difference?
Okay. Does size make a difference? No. It's because if you are, size doesn't matter. Because even if you have small, medium, or large, or extra large, it's the same feelings. It's the same things that you have. You will be in the romance.
Do you believe that? So you
yeah.
Kevin, you believe size don't make a difference?
No, there is different. You can make it a different style. You can, like what you said, you can use your mouth. We can use your mouth.
Oh, you can use all kinds of stuff, huh? You gotta get creative. You gotta get creative.
Yeah, I'm just honest because that's true.
Stop the cap.
Yeah, because that's true. Some Filipino women doing that also. Yeah, and even if it's any sizes, but you are still in the same one part of the relationship.
So you haven't had a size that just totally disappointed you? You're like, okay, I can
No,
work with it.
no, it's okay. For me, it's okay as long as we are happy together.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Stop the
But you're a
cap.
slim woman. Slim women are very capable of expanding. What's the word you use? Expanding.
Expandable.
Slim women are very expandable. Yeah.
Yeah, because you can bend. You can throw us on the bed.
Oh, Sharon Labu's letting it loose, y'all. Make sure you guys subscribe to her channel so you guys can find out more about Sharon Labu. What's your channel, baby?
Hi, my name is Sharon, and my YouTube channel is Sharon Lapu. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will do my best to give you a good video and give you some perspective from Filipino woman. I release 4M. In Tagalog is like maalaga, caring, makatao, respectful, mapagmahal, so loving. That's the Filipina woman.
What are some of the things we need to watch out for? Like, because you made it sound all perfect and rosy, but we know there's another side. You were telling me earlier about scams and stuff like that. I'm not one to talk about scams, but just a general thing. Like, is there a real scam going on out there? Because I didn't see it. When I was in the Philippines, I met a very nice, beautiful woman. She's still around. Shout out to her. She knows it. But yeah, man, it's like, what are some of the things? Are there certain things that foreigners need to look out for?
Yes, not all the Filipino woman. I often say that on my channel that some red flag, I told them some red flag because it happened. There are some Filipino women, they will be in the dating website, even they have husband. There are some Filipino women that they are not contented of the income of their husband, and then like materialistic woman, so that's why they go to the dating website, but they don't know, I mean their husband doesn't know about it. It happened mostly, I saw it on the television news, that there was a married woman went to the dating website, but her husband doesn't know about what's happening on that until the foreigner came over to Cebu, and then it was the time that he knew that the girl is married and have husband and have children. And it happened mostly, that's why if you met a Filipina in dating website, just to make it sure that they will not talk about money or not asking more money, more, because the more you give it to the Filipina, the more they think that you are a rich guy. Yeah, there are that Filipino people kind of mindset.
Well, I gotta tell you this. I met all my girls in the Philippines on a dating site. I'm not gonna say the name of the dating site. I saved that for my consultation. But I met some cool ones. Now, remember, that was a while ago. I don't know what it's like now, but I met some cool ones on a dating site. So, do you know which dating site I'm talking about? What's the main one? So we can walk.
That dating website, there are quite a lot of dating websites.
What's the most popular one?
There is
Not so fast. Just to be clear, Sharon Lapu Lapu is giving you examples of things she's heard and things she knows. This is by no way or any means putting down Filipino people or saying all Filipino people are bad, because they're not. I love Filipino people, and she loves being Filipina. So when I go to the Philippines, I'll be having it the way I like it, you dig? Just kidding.
What I want to know, because, I got my Thailand versus the Philippines video. You've seen that video, right?
Thailand versus the Philippines.
What do you think the difference is between Thai women and Philippine women?
okay, I think the difference of the Thai woman and Philippine woman, it's their looking, the face.
What? Thais and Filipinos look strikingly similar. If a Thai and a Filipino woman stand side by side, they would generally not know what race the other one is until they started speaking.
You guys are very similar.
Yeah, not similar, not all, because some of the Filipina have big eyes and big nose.
Don't be talking about the Philippines. Hey, I didn't say that. She said that.
Yeah, it's true that not all the Filipino women had a perfect size of nose.
Okay.
Yeah, and also mostly Thai girl are slim.
I know they got some thick.
Yeah.
They got some thick.
Yeah,
Filipino.
and
this one is slim. She looked like she's Thai, but they got some thick Filipino women
Yeah.
out there. They built like black girls. Some of the Philippines.
yes, there are some also fat. Even my auntie is
You hear what she said?
my auntie is a fat woman. That's why
Are we allowed to say that on YouTube? Can you say that word? I like the way you say it. Say it again. That's so cute the way you say
fat.
it. Fat. Say
Fat.
it again.
Fat.
I like the way she said. Are you fat?
No, I'm thin.
Dig.